Hi everyone, welcome back to Mental Health Made Easy. I'm Alex, a psychiatric nurse practitioner, and today I'm going to be covering 5 non-medication strategies to overcome ADHD symptoms. Let's get started. So the first way to overcome ADHD symptoms in a non-medication related way is to establish a routine. Creating a structured daily routine can provide stability and help people that struggle with ADHD to manage their time more efficiently. It allows for better planning, it reduces the likelihood of becoming overwhelmed and distracted. And for example, setting specific times for tasks, activities, breaks can help maintain focus. This can include allocating time for studying, working, exercising, and even leisure activities. We should really be thinking about incorporating all aspects of our day into this daily routine to give us more structure. Having a consistent routine definitely helps with establishing a sense of predictability and order, which sometimes in ADHD, the distractibility can leave us jumping around from task to task and feeling like we're not actually ever completing some of these things, or that it takes much longer for us to complete tasks than others. So the second strategy here is breaking tasks down into smaller steps. Breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable steps can alleviate a lot of that feeling of being overwhelmed, and it can also increase motivation and allow us to initiate the completion of a task. For example, if the task is to clean a room, let's say, breaking it down into smaller steps, like I'm going to organize the closet, I'm going to dust the furniture, I'm going to vacuum, I'm going to throw out the trash. Breaking that all down into individual tasks rather than having a grand task of I'm going to clean my entire room can alleviate a lot of that overwhelming feeling, or having a great task that requires sustained mental effort to be reduced. And that alleviates a lot of the burden and feeling of ADHD symptoms that often is something that we see. So this allows it to be more attainable and more achievable. By focusing on one step at a time, individuals who struggle with ADHD can maintain their attention and track their progress more efficiently. As we complete these smaller tasks, we're compounding into I've done this task, success, I've done this next task, success, and that allows us to also feel good about ourselves at the same time. Now, the third strategy here is to use visual aids and reminders. So visual aids can be very helpful tools for people who are struggling with ADHD to stay organized and track things that are going on in their daily lives. Calendars, to-do lists, and sticky notes can also serve as visual reminders. They serve as cues, they serve as prompts, they give us a reminder that we need to do something. Forgetfulness is a very common feature of ADHD, and it occurs throughout the day in different domains of someone's life who is struggling with ADHD. So, for example, using a calendar to mark important dates, deadlines, and appointments can help individuals who have ADHD remember and plan ahead. Another way is creating a to-do list each day and crossing off those completed tasks. That provides a visual representation of progress and accomplishment, and it allows us to stay focused, and it can motivate us to keep up with these behaviors as well, because we'll see that we're getting things done during the day. This feels good, rather than I'm going throughout my day and I'm maybe jumping onto this task, and not really feeling like I'm completing things. There's a different sense of completion that is gained by someone who perhaps uses these types of strategies than not. Now, the fourth strategy here is implementing organizational strategies. So that means a couple different things, but developing an effective organizational strategy can significantly improve someone's focus, and it can also reduce the chance for distractions if someone does struggle with ADHD. So for instance, keeping a daily workspace free from clutter can help minimize visual distractions. Using color-coded folders or labels for different documents or subjects even can make it easier to stay on track and stay organized. It can also allow us to keep track of important information. Utilizing these kinds of strategies can allow you to have more effective ways to just organize your thoughts and have a structure throughout the day. And also utilizing storage systems like shelves or drawers can help belongings stay in order and be more accessible for someone. And also using a storage system can eliminate some of the chance of losing items, which is another common feature of ADHD. The fifth strategy to improve ADHD symptoms is to practice self-care. Taking care of oneself is vital for managing ADHD symptoms. Adequate sleep, regular exercise, and a balanced diet contribute to the overall well-being and help someone reduce the impulsivity and hyperactive symptoms of ADHD. For example, ensuring a consistent sleep routine and aiming for the recommended daily hours of sleep each night can improve focus and attention. Engaging in physical exercise or physical activities regularly, like walking, jogging, yoga, can also help you release excess energy and improve concentration as well. We're increasing a lot of neurochemicals in the brain through regular and consistent exercise, which allows us to actually reduce ADHD symptoms as well. So practicing self-care looks different for everyone, but allowing yourself the opportunity to rest, to nourish your body is important for allowing you to gain control over ADHD symptoms. Now, I do have a sixth bonus strategy, and that's because this one is very important. So this sixth strategy is seeking support from others. Building a support network is truly crucial for individuals who are struggling with ADHD. Sharing experiences and strategies with family and support groups can provide a sense of understanding and validation. Collaborating with other mental health professionals, such as a psychiatrist, a therapist, or other psychiatry provider, can offer personalized guidance and support for you in developing specific coping mechanisms that will allow you to overcome ADHD symptoms if that's something you're struggling with. Now, together, all of these people build that support network and allow you to have ways to manage your symptoms more effectively. You can oftentimes rely on those very close to you to help serve as reminders. They can help keep you accountable for, let's say you're taking medication for ADHD, they can help you remember to take the medication. They can help make sure that you are eating well, exercising, sleeping well, all of the things that go into ADHD symptom management. So together, all of these strategies, while not the only strategies available, are some pretty effective ones that can help reduce ADHD symptoms in a non-medication way. And remember, it's important to find what works best for you. Not everyone has the same experience with ADHD management strategies. It's a very personalized experience, and that's how it should be, because we all have different brains, we all have different personalities, and we are all very unique, and that's why personalized mental health care is extremely important. So remember, if you feel like one strategy doesn't work for you, please don't give up. There are other strategies out there that may be more effective for you. And those were six strategies for overcoming ADHD symptoms using non-medication strategies. If you guys have any particular topics you'd like for me to cover, please feel free to comment them below. And also, if you've made it this far, please hit that like and subscribe button. I greatly appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.